Welcome back to the Aesthetic Marvi. Acne is a common skin issue that affects people of all ages. It can be caused by various factors such as hormonal imbalances, poor diet, stress, and improper skincare routines. While there are many treatments available, sometimes the best solutions come from nature. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with: acne. But worry not, because I have a magical drink that can help you achieve clear, glowing skin. Let's get started. Ingredients and their benefits. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Turmeric can help reduce redness and kill acne-causing bacteria. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, lemon helps to detoxify the body and brighten the skin. Ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, ginger can reduce swelling and improve digestion, which is linked to healthier skin. Honey, a natural antibacterial and humectant, honey helps to keep your skin hydrated and fight off infections. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, green tea can reduce inflammation and protect your skin from damage. How to make the drink. Now, let's make this magical drink. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Juice of 1 lemon. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 cup of brewed green tea, cooled. Step 1. Start by brewing a cup of green tea and let it cool. Step 2. Add the turmeric powder, lemon juice, and grated ginger. Step 3. Add honey to taste and stir until it's completely dissolved. Your magical drink is ready. Enjoy it first thing in the morning for the best results. Drink this daily for best results, as consistency is key. Maintain a healthy diet, stay hydrated, and follow a good skincare routine. Natural remedies take time, so be patient. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Comment if you try this drink and let me know your results. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching.